But I'll tell you right now, the excitement right now is right here in the Omni International Ballroom, because we got, well, the greatest, one of my favorite singers of all time, and one of yours, the great Rosemary Clooney, right there.
When an irresistible force such as you meets an old immovable object like me, you can bet as sure as you live, some's gotta give, some's gotta give, some's gotta give. When an irrepressible smile such as yours warms an old implacable heart such as mine, don't say no, because I insist. Somehow, somewhere, someone's gonna be kissed. So on guard, who knows what the fates have in store from their vast, mysterious sky. I'll try hard, ignoring those lips I adore, but how long can anyone try? I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you, come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river, come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true if you'll let me. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me, come rain or come shine. Happy together, unhappy together, and won't that be fine? Days may be cloudy or sunny, we are in or we're out of the money, but I'm with you always, I'm with you always, I'm with you, come rain or come shine. Mercy. Thank you.